Oh. It's like a new fish up here. Picked up on a pretty neat trick here with the Texas rig package. A lot of the problems you have when you're fishing a Texas rig is the weight's loose on top of the worm and it slides around a lot, and can cause you to get hung up when you're fishing around light weeds or stumps. And so one of the things a buddy of mine was showing me was if you take a pretty common item in the crappie world, I guess, for crappie fishing, if you take what's called a bobber stopper. It's a little black rubber bead there, and you can pop that onto your line. You guys can see that, and then you just go ahead and rig up your weight and your worm and everything, and your hook is normal, and just take that bobber stopper, let's see there, and just slide it down to the head of that weight, and it pegs it down on top of that worm. And it just kind of gives you the ability to present a little cleaner package in the water. You can fish it through light weeds and stumps a little bit easier than you can without it. Keeps that weight, pegged down to the worm, and it's just a better way to fish the Texas rig, in my opinion. So if you haven't ever tried them, you can grab you some bobber stoppers and go give them a shot. Swipe my bait. And that's how you do that. Man. See, these fish are up in here. I'm kind of surprised. See, he's a little dark. He's a little dark. That's the brown pelican everybody's been talking about. The brown pelican. Oh.